In an opaque world of construction, CE aims to lead the change by keeping transparency at the forefront. But how will transparency translate for you as a client? Allow me to take you through a typical project journey at CE. We begin by giving you access to the project management platform we work on and a mobile app that gives you an eye on the site from the comfort and safety of your home. So let's get started by creating your project. Our first step is to get to know you and your requirements for the project. This includes the project's name, location, type, amongst other things. This is followed by the project scope and definition. We start with the preliminary design and divide the overall scope into smaller area-wide circuits. Each circuit has a comprehensive bill of quantities where each and every item, from the most critical equipment to the tiniest nut and bolt, is specified and quantified. Along with the material, all our services like machinery rentals, logistics and transportation, manpower are also scoped out in detail so that there are no surprises later. Once the project estimate is approved, we now move the project to the execution stage. Now, what materials are being used in your project? Every material used in your project goes through a rigorous selection procedure using our digital constructionery. Various factors including aesthetics, efficiency, cost, noise, weight and height, ease of operation are taken into consideration while selecting the material. Of course, these specification criteria vary depending on the type and category of material. Material selection is followed by orders being placed for the same. You will receive notifications for materials ordered and received on the InstaSite app. You will have access to detailed information of each order. Once the construction phase starts, you want to view your project, track project progress, and know the team. Starting off with a visual journey. Working with CE, you have the ability to monitor the project area-wise, which means you can view the journey for each area and see how the area developed over time. You can also view the same from your mobile app, where you get real-time updates. Ultimately, everyone wants to know how much of the work has been completed in the project. You can track your project status against your project scope and know what material has been indented, ordered, delivered, and installed. You can also track project progress through our Gantt charts, which will keep track of plan versus actual timelines. Finally, we understand that you have multiple people from your company joining at various stages of the project, and at times you are not aware of who you can get in touch with at CE. The InstaSite app gives you access to all team members working on the project along with their roles, making resolutions or escalations very smooth for you. Also, you do not need to interact with our team on multiple disconnected platforms. You can chat through the app or give your feedback by commenting on images. By providing this level of transparency, we ensure that we're always putting our best foot forward while working on a project. We look forward to partnering with you for your next project. Thank you.